Hey, what's up and welcome. It's Matthew Msengati, the designer and developer, the hybrid, the best of both world from South Africa. Let's continue with our HTML crash course. Now we are on HTML basics, okay? So this is just some sort of few HTML elements to help you understand what's going on here, okay? So let's just quickly go through it, okay? We've already explained the HTML document and how it works. So let's start with the HTML headings. Okay, these are the HTML element, which is the H1s. Okay, so basically what this document is saying, okay, is that now let me just delete all other things. Okay, I think it's high time that I show you the proper structure of the HTML. As you can see here, we were the newbies, we were just typing for explanation, okay? So I think you might be interested in seeing the actual HTML structure, okay, a professional one. So since we're on Visual Studio Code, we can delete everything here. We can just type HTML and then we will see this HTML5. This is some sort of a code snippet or a block of code, or it's a boilerplate that will show you everything that is necessary, okay, on the HTML structure. As you can see, guys, okay, it has added also the language, okay, language, it's English, and then it has added the head, it has added a meta tag, okay, it has also added a viewport. We are not going to get much into these, and then it has added a title. So let's change our title and let's type here HTML course, okay. Let's just type HTML course and let's click save, okay. So let's just go to the browser, okay, and let's just refresh here. Okay, as you can see, guys, everything it's empty. Now this has changed to HTML course, okay, nothing there, okay. So what we are going to do, okay, let me just close this. Apologies about that. So what we are going to do now, we are going to explore the H1. So the H1s, think of the H, okay, not the H1s, the H. So think of these like headings. Okay, when you want to create a heading, okay, like a big bold title, always use the H, okay, the headings, okay. So the headings in HTML, they start from H1 to H6, ranging from the biggest to smallest. So if it's 1, it means it's big. So let's test that. Okay, H1, okay, it's big. Okay, as you can see, guys. So let's quickly check that on the browser. Okay, H1, it's big. And then what we are going to do then, I don't know what is this. Okay, let me close everything here. Okay, my apologies about that. So now I'm going to type all of these, copy and paste from H1 to H6, okay? So this is H1, this is H2, this is going to be H3, this is going to be H4, this is going to be H5, then we end at H6. We don't have H7, H5, and then H6, okay? And then let's just type here H6, 5. Apologies about that. 4, okay, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, as you can see, guys, okay, it's H1. And then this, it's small, okay, and this is big, okay. Just want to show you that it ranges from the biggest to the smallest. Okay, so let's come here. As you can see, guys, okay, this is H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and the smallest H6. Okay, so basically that's what they are explaining here. Okay, but then it doesn't end there. Okay, we also got a paragraph tag, okay, for a paragraph. A paragraph tag, I always view it like some sort of a readable style, okay, just like for if you're reading a novel, like normal reading. Okay, you just used a paragraph. Okay, so let me just type this tag BR. Okay, let me click it here. Okay, a self-closing tag. Okay, BR. Okay, and then what we want to do here, we want to put a p tag. Okay, you will see with the use of this now. Okay, let's check. Where do okay, this is where I want to be. Let's refresh and see. Okay, now we've got a big gap here, a big space. Okay, that break, okay, just provided some sort of a gap between your elements. Okay, here I didn't put a gap. Okay, but here I did put a gap. Okay, so this is the effect of that break. As you can see, guys, this is a normal paragraph. Okay, and then in HTML, okay, more often than not, we want to move from one page to another, okay, like to navigate, okay, the whole document moving from one page to another. So we use an HTML element, or we use a tag which is called an anchor tag, which is an A tag, okay. An A tag it has an attribute. We are going to get into attributes, okay, but for now just take it some sort of religiously. Okay, I'm going to help you with understanding later. Okay, we've got an anchor tag. An anchor tag helps you to move from one page to another, okay, to a different URL. Okay, let's see how it works. Let's say we want to have here, let's say after this, let's put another BR tag. Okay, let's put another BR tag. Let's say here we want to have a text where when we click it, it's going to take us to Google. Then the anchor tag will be the best for that. I think it's also is it a self-closing tag? No. Okay, you must open and close it. Okay, let's type here, go to Google. Okay, and then you need to provide an attribute. So inside here, okay, in any tag, okay, there are attributes. So the attribute that you find here on an anchor tag, okay, or in this link tag, it's href. Okay, it's href. And then we will type here www.google.com. Okay, just like this, guys. Okay, and then let's check, is this, first of all, is this text going to be exactly like this one? If not, let's just try to observe what is the difference. Okay, let's see. Is it the same? No. Okay, because now this is highlighted blue a little bit. So it indicates in the web document that this is some sort of a clickable and it's a link. As you can see, the cursor changes. Okay, the cursor changes here, but it tells you you can highlight this. Okay, but here it changes to a pointer. Okay, it's telling you you can click this. Okay, so when we click this, let's see where is it taking us. Okay, it's taking us to our own web page. Okay, plus www.google. I wonder why that is. Okay, this tag assumes that, okay, this www it's a file or a certain path in our project. Okay, let me just make an example. Okay, let me just make an example. Okay, so meaning that okay, let me open this folder, something like this. My apologies about that. Okay, only this folder is HTML course. Let me open this folder. Okay, as you can see in this folder now, we only have this file. Okay, so I can create another file here. Why not create another file here? Let's say it's our own Google, let's say. Okay, google.html. Okay, and then in this google.html, we're going to have a boilerplate. And then in the body, we're going to have an H1. Okay, this is our local Google. Okay, so the anchor tag was assuming that we've got a page called Google. Okay, so that's how it has treated this. Okay, I will tell you why. So let's quickly try to help it. If it wants to check Google locally, it will better try Google. Here is it. Okay, Visual Studio Code is telling us that we have this. Okay, now let's go back and see, guys. Okay, go back and then let's go to Google. This is our local Google. Okay, so this type, okay, of URL, okay, it's a relative path. Okay, this path Google, this file google.html, it's relative to the project, as you can see, guys. Inside this project, then forward slash. Okay, cool. Now let's go back to exactly what we wanted to do before. Okay, remember before we wanted to go to Google directly. Okay, so let's click undo, as you can see, guys. Okay, now let's try to type here HTTP. Okay, HTTP, let's make a double forward slash and then click save. Okay, and then let's go back here. Okay, and then let's see now where is it going to go. Okay, it still does the same thing. This means that I just need to copy this. My apologies about that. Okay, this is what I need to copy. Okay, I need to copy that full HTTP what. Okay, let's just go back there. Okay, let's see, guys. Now I have copied the exact one. Let's see what might be the difference. Okay, I think I forgot this colon. Okay, as you can see, guys, now this indicates as a link, as you can see, a link that I can even follow from here. Okay, now let's look at the difference. Okay, let's go back to our project. Here is it, and let's go back a little bit. And now, okay, this is different because we have visited it. It was blue before we visit. Now, since it's the color has changed, it just means that we have visited it before. We have visited this link. Okay, now let's hover over here. Also notice here at the bottom. Okay, as we hover over it, it's telling us that it's ready to go to that page. Okay, now it takes us to a new page. Okay, so guys, I hope you do understand the a tag, the anchor tag, and how it works. Okay, how it routes to a relative path, and also how it routes to a, let's say, a global path, which is a normal URL. Okay, and then let's go back to where we want to be. As you can see, let's continue. Okay, and then this is an anchor tag, and then we've got the HTML. Okay, you can go on, guys, and read here. Okay, it's just a better explanation. Okay, and also this will explain in terms of an English as a language, believe me, better than me. Okay, my English is not that 100%. Okay, so but I'm trying, guys. Okay, I'm trying. Maybe I will get there. Okay, maybe one day I will speak like, I'm not sure, as if it's my native language one day. Okay, but as long as you can understand what I'm trying to say, in case maybe for some reason due to my accent you can't really understand, just shoot a comment below and ask Matthew, what do you mean by this? Occasionally, or some other thing that can happen, guys, it's like, in any language there are those phrases, okay, which are, I'm not sure, they come with the language. To us, we've got phrases like yabo, okay, it means you see. Okay, we've got phrases like ne, okay, I cannot directly translate that into English. So in case that happened, guys, please understand. Okay, but I don't think it happens more frequently. Now back to business. Okay, we've got an HTML image. Okay, more often than not, you will see images. I think even here, maybe this is an image, but let's find a proper image. Something that we are sure this is an image. Okay, as you can see, these are images. Okay, this is an image. So let's just inspect this image. Let's see. Where is IMG? Do they have an IMG tag here? Okay. Okay, let me do it like this. Let's click this arrow. This arrow will take us directly here. Let's see, is there an IMG here? Okay, I can see this. Where is the one with that guy? Okay, let's see. Oh, it's an SVG. I want this guy. Okay, let me do this. This is the guy that I want inside here. Okay, let's check this one. What is this one? Yes, here is an IMG, guys. As you can see, this is an image. Here's an IMG. Okay, so that's what we are trying to explain now here. All right, so this is how you use an image tag. Okay, so I think now you understand that inside an opening tag, inside it, okay, right next to the tag name, okay, we put our attributes there. Okay, so an image tag has got these attributes. Okay, I think they are mandatory. Okay, they must be there. We've got the source src, which is the location of the image. We've got the alt. Okay, I will tell you now what that is. And we've got the width and height. Okay, now let's create this image tag. We might as well copy it, I think. Okay, because we are going to type this exactly as it is. Okay, it won't make any difference, okay, if I type it or if I copy it. Okay, so let's just go here and look for any image. Let's look for any image. Let's take this one. Okay, let's just take this image. We are going to copy here and then copy image address. Okay, copy image address, and then let's go back to our code. Instead of this, let's put that address. Okay, let me move this. Okay, as you can see, guys, so in this image in the src, we have put this address. It's very long, but here it is. Okay, we have put this, let's say this out. Okay, and that is it, guys. So at this point in time, we cannot tell how this looks like up until we visit the browser. Okay, let's go and check in our browser what we will see. Okay, as you can see, guys, we've just got a picture of Trevor Noah. Okay, that is an image tag. Okay, let's inspect. Okay, as you can see, let's see how it is. Let's see. Okay, guys, as you can see, here is the image tag, and here is the URL, and then here is our alt tag, and here is the width and height. Okay, um I thought, okay, maybe it might happen there's something that I didn't get right. Okay, I thought when I'm hovering around this logo, okay, we might get something like a tooltip here, which will show us the alt. Okay, so that's why I said I will explain about the alt. What can I say? Attribute later, but I can see that that is not the case. Okay, cool. Now I am about, or I am convinced that the alt is meant for the search engine. Okay, it's some sort of a meta tag or sort of meta data that is meant for a search engine. But however, it doesn't have to search and be 100% sure. Okay, I think that will also be interesting for me. Okay, uh, okay, let's try this, guys. Okay, the alt attribute provide alternative information for an for an image if a user for some reason cannot view it, okay, because of slow connection or an error in the src attribute. Okay, okay, interesting. Okay, as you can see, guys, that's what it does. So let's quickly go and test it. Okay, where is our alt here? Let's say there's a problem with this. Let's just type 000 here, which this will be an error. Let's just quickly check, guys. Okay, this is not what I want. Okay, this is where I want to be. Let's just click and see the alt. Okay, let's see. Okay, we've just changed that. Do we have the image? Yes. Okay. Okay. Based on, okay, let's try this again. Let's try this one for the last time. Okay. Let's save and see. Do we see it there? Let's refresh. Okay. Okay, cool. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to make my internet very slow, okay, in the browser, the connection network. And let's make this very slow, okay, slow 3G, okay. That means it's going to act as if it's slow. We want to see the impact of this alt, okay, because in my mind, I've got alt as a some sort of an attribute that helps you with the image, okay. Somehow it displays something like a tooltip here, okay. So that's what I have in mind. But let's check, guys. Let's check. Okay, this is supposed to, oh, it was cached. Okay, maybe this image was cached. Okay, cool. We can go here and look for a different image. Okay. Or we can go to Pexels. Okay, Pexels is going to give us like high quality image. Okay, Pexel is going to give us high quality images. Okay, guys, feel free, guys, to make your own research. And if you know, okay, just shoot a comment below. Okay, if you know anything about alt and how it's used, please help us and shoot a comment below. I will be very happy to get help from you. Okay, so what I want to do now, I want to change the src. Okay, I want to change the src. Okay, the reason why I'm doing this, I am more of a practical person. Okay, I like to see things in practice. I think that's how I memorize. Okay, I don't memorize like the strings and text. Okay, I want, I'm more, maybe I'm more practical or experiential. Okay, things stick to me when I apply them. Okay, so let's go back to here. Okay, we have changed the src, so the internet is going to be slow, and it's still spinning. Okay. Okay. So nothing much that shows here, guys. So please, guys, do me a favor and let's make a research on the alt, more especially the practicality of it. Okay. It's good if we can get a theory. This is what it does. Okay. Here I was trying to get a use case so that we can visually see it. But I trust that you are a good student, you are smart, you can maybe click send me a link in the description to maybe a page that exactly shows what this is supposed to do. I am Matthew Msingati. I'm a designer and at the same time I am a developer. If you might want to contact me one-on-one, you want me to help you with specific key questions that you have, whether it's design or development or even React, just come here and give me your name and email. And also I've got buy me a coffee here if you might want to support. I might teach you Figma on how to design beautiful, awesome user interface. I am Matthew Msingati. Thank you so much and thank you for subscribing. See you on the next one.